currently 5:45. 5:45.
I feel surprisingly awake for the time of the day.
I'm excited, bro.
Yeah, I reckon
maybe that's what it is. About to go rob a liquor store.
Oh yeah. 10 toes down, we stand it up. Business summer. Big step up. Let the girl grab it up. Off to Tuhua. For 7 o'clock on the dot. Holy, look at that. Go fight that off. Woo! We'll just chuck the drone footage on. Fuck, we got a drone, bro. Any drone sponsors want to fucking sponsor us? Be my guest. I'll be keen on a drone sponsor. Alright. Here we are, made it to Tuhua.
Maybe we made it.
It's like quarter past 7.
Yeah, just over an hour. It's pretty good going, bro.
Quarter past 7. Off to find some liveys. Chuck in a live bait tank. Gingy mission. But bro, this thing looks like a bloody. Looks like Jurassic Park, eh? What would it be? What kind of bait are you looking for?
Kohirus.
Kohirus.
Is that how you say it?
Koheru.
Kohirus. What did I say?
Koheru.
Koheru.
Get it, dude.
Oh, kohirus.
Oh, yeah, I was kidding. This actually kohirus.
What do you mean I'm kidding, bro?
What the fuck is that? What is it?
Well, time to wake up.
Stop that shit, brother. Early bird gets the worm, as they say. We'll get that drone up so you guys can see where we're at, eh? We don't have a drone. Again, any drone sponsors out there, hook it up! Holy shit, those things are expensive. One. Fuck, you got a joke, bro? You ain't got any jokes?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
I eat mop.
I ate my poo.
Yeah. Oh no. Got a mischief. This has a mischief. I got a wet hand. Oh, we're good.
Go.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit. Oh shit, sorry.
Get the strike. Yep. Oh no, I lost them.
Go. Just keep it down there.
I lost them.
Put it back down there. Put it back down there.
Oh, this is a big one, bro.
Go, this.
Oh, it's pulling line, G. Oh no.
Go. Get it. Grab it.
Oh, it's taking me to the weeds.
Nice, yes.
We're back.
Go ahead. Go. Get back down there. Fuck.
Oh.
Get in there. Go.
Oh. What a fluke.
No, ain't no fluke, cousin. You listen to Tom Clancy. I just attracted like that with my...
Oh, bro, don't worry, bro. Just keep... I got it.
Oh, fuck, man. Some days, bro.
Fuck, man. Coming your way.
Go, bring it over.
Oh, bro,
drop it down. Drop it down. Yep, we got it.
Seems...
He's on the bottom one. Kingy crack, baby. King crack. We got it. That's the sound bite. Two. Just medium. We got something now.
3, 2, 1. And action. Boom. That's how we connect the dots. Fuck, alright. Put this thing down there.
Oh.
What do you reckon, bro?
7 kahawai. 1, 2, 3.
Kahawai.
7 koheru.
What did I say? Koheru.
Kedidus. Kedidus are a fucking bird.
Kididoo.
Oh, you're on.
Come on. Oh.
Sorry, bro, what do you need? Sup, homies?
Load it up, show them, bro.
Load it up. Fuck, I'll get there.
Whoa.
Load it up on some koherus. About 8 of them, so 4 each.
Well, I caught 6, you caught 2, so I got 6 live baits. And,
I only need 2, brother. I only need 2, bro.
Okay.
If no luck, we've got sashimi. If no luck after that, we'll just get on the piss. See you there? Woo! Spot X.
See which way we're drifting that. We'll chuck these on, because it's a little bit lumpy out here. Safety first, brother.
Huh. Shit!
Alright.
Any sea legs? For your pussies?
Oh, exciting.
Look at that. Alright.
Big boys here.
But the
Play.
what are you running there?
Just running like a big 8-ounce sinker on top of a edge live bait setup that they've given us.
Oh yeah.
So I'm gonna chuck that up through the nose, send it down to where the fish are. About 40 meters at the moment. There's about 4 cubs, and we'll see how their drift goes. You chucking on, buddy?
Alright, get what you get, don't get upset, eh? Fucking hell.
Grab me koheru now, Rodham.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
There's 2.
oh, yep. I'll have one. So go through the nose. That. And then chuck her over. Or junk wings, I say.
Shark
Nah.
Week.
Shark bait.
Fuck, that's a good song too.
Triple hook.
Slows, eh?
Boom.
Nice, anyway.
Through the nose. And that side. And this side. Good luck, brother. Yeah.
Talk to me.
Oh, bro, put me on here.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Oh, shit!
They call it, eh?
They call it too soon.
Yeah, this thing's tail wag.
You slowly bring it. I don't think it's woken up yet, eh? I can see the bone start going for a fucking how you go.
What does it look like on the sound? Is it massive? Feels
Oh, the
heavy,
big
bro.
school's just gone through, eh?
Feels heavy.
Good.
Oh, I've got colour. It's a nasty.
It's a kiwi!
Fuck.
When it's coming.
In the boat.
Fucking music, baby. Yep.
Hold on.
Yep. On that shit, dog. Got heaps of fucking deep as fuck now. Hold on to the ride. Hold on. Hold on. The colour, bro. Here's the colour, bro. Come on, get up. Fuck, it's a strong cut.
Here you go, tail.
Trying to. Try to put my hand in the skills. Get that camera on.
Oh my fucking
big one. Fucking days, bro.
brother! Oh!
Hold it, G.
Here,
Give me
G.
that camera, bro. Give me that camera.
Here, G.
Yeah, that's it. That's it, G. That's the fucking angle, cousin. That's the angle, G. That's the angle, bro.
Oh! Need a big chili one, brother.
Bro, that can't even fit in there, cousin. Hold on. Turn it over, turn it sideways. Yeah, bro. Quite heavy, eh? What do you twice to kill that shit?
20. No.
Bending you over. It swims away. that. 115, bro? Fuck, 115 on the dot, bro. 115 kilos. Yeah. Anyways, that was actually the only kingfish we caught, which fucking sucked. Because I had to just sit on the boat and listen to Kurt talk shit about it all freaking day. But this is one of the kingies that I thought was coming home, and as you can see, it's freaking taking me right down. I'm trying to freaking pull its head up. We're in the shoals, and there's a lot of freaking stuff down there that I can fucking. Oh my! Even watching it now just fucking breaks me. But yeah, here comes Kurt. Hey, this is actually what you need to be doing. Blah, 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 blah. I had to fucking listen to this shit for the rest of the. Actually, I'm still listening to this shit until I catch a king. So. But yeah, it was my final last ditch effort to find a kingy, and fuck, that was not it.
We're gonna call it a day there, team.
That's good fun, man.
It's good fun.
Big day.
Okay, big day.
12 hours.
What? Well, it started. We're only out there for like 2 hours.
2 hours? Did I say 10? 12.
Yeah, nah, it's me. Some of us caught fish, some of us didn't. It's just the way it goes sometimes. But,
thanks for coming, brothers and sisters and girls.
This is mean, but it's a moon.
What?